And the race is on. Gold mine right here, right now, rising up steep in the night. Well, rising up in the middle. It's now tip in the night, followed by gold mine. And racing in third by some 3 lengths right here, right now. Well, is racing in fourth by a length and a half. Then comes Starlock. Backyard B-Boys, Marty S. And alongside Millennial Safety School, Lucky Lorky is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile distance tip in the night by some 4 lengths. Gold mine right here, right now. Well, getting closer in fourth, working towards the back. Tip in the night by only a length and a half. Right here, right now. Well, he's racing from the outside. Gold mine is racing forward by some 2 lengths. Rounding the far turn tip in the night by a length and a half right here, right now. Well, he's still running in third and Gold Mine is running in fourth as they race the final corner. Tip in the night right here, right now. Well, he's making ground on the inside and nearing the last 250 meters more to run. Right here, right now from the outside. And well, down on the inside. Tip in the night. Gold mine. And nearing the last 75 meters more to run. It's right here, right now. Second. Well, tip in the night. Gold mine, Smarty S for your Fanta Facta.